No tweaking. No tweaking.
Are we recording?
Yeah, I think so.
We are recording. Okay,
Yeah.
hi.
What up?
Facebook, Twitter, YouTube world. Welcome to High Times
With the
with
monkeys.
the
That's not literal like we look like monkeys,
No.
but it's
And
a
if you
high
do,
joke.
you're gonna be a savage. We're gonna explain what savage is later. But welcome to High Times with Monkeys. And that's just our thing with this YouTube page. We get high and talk about monkeys. We talk about other things that are very, very humorous to
No,
us.
wait. Kayla brought up a monkey story. Kayla,
Yeah,
show
this
me
is how
it.
it started.
Almost not here.
I'm
Gamo.
Kayla. She, yeah, my, I have another heart.
Gamo.
That's the heart. We love you. She's gonna be on the show next time. But it all happened. And we're gonna post that video first. But it all happened when I talked about a monkey. My friend, Kiki, shout out to Kiki. Shout out to Kiki. You were high one day. You and Andrew. And you all were talking about monkeys. And how you saw your monkeys. And monkeys would be doing stuff. But they're your monkeys and nobody else can see them. So I brought up this story with my four friends, Darren, Dominique,
Damo G.
and Charlie.
Good money.
So, yeah, you just look into monkeys. And I think everybody was going to see a monkey one day. Now, me saw her monkey the other day. I saw my monkeys like a couple of days ago. Chavez was over there.
Really?
It was weird. I was like, look at her, look at her.
Oh my gosh, I saw her swimming with monkeys.
She will one day. She's got to see
You know what? But my head has feel like a little circle, like my neck is a circle, and my head's a ball. No monkeys, though. No monkeys.
So if you see monkeys, you better watch
Monkey
High
see,
Times.
monkey do, monkey see, monkey who. You don't know it, boo.
We rap about monkeys, we talk about monkeys, we see monkeys, smell monkeys, eat bananas like monkeys, like
Yellow banana, monkey.
the yellow thing, bananas. But stay tuned. I hope you just enjoy our show because we rock and we will, and don't be a fat bitch. And you'll know by later. Okay, we stop.